Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kasexing Tekia. For today's vlog guys, ay pumunta nga pala kami sa Louvre. Louvre. Yan, so Louvre. Ay, ang hirap i-sounds guys. So, ayan, from the Grand Mosque, dumiretso kami dito sa Louvre. Dito lang yan sa Abu Dhabi. So, meron kaming, ayan, kasama ko si Eva Sacho from Australia. So, parang magkapatid lang kami. So, ayan guys, meron nga kaming service dahil medyo malayo-layo ang entrance ng Louvre. Louvre. The other call is Louvre. But dito sa UAE, Louvre or Louvre. So anyway, so this is the nice place in Louvre. So all the tourist people are coming here in this place to watch it's like a museum. All the artifacts that is here, you can find it here. So sinaunang mga artifacts noong panahon na na-maintain yung kagandahan. Yung iba may damage but still lang 1800s, 18th century. So makikita nyo guys. So pagpasok nyo guys ay may entrance fee pala. The entrance fee ay I forgot the entrance fee, but I wanna thank you so much to my very generous Vasajo for treating us here. So ayan, this building guys, this was like lubog sa dagat. Ayan, we're in the middle of upper part of the underwater. So ayan, upper water pala, hindi underwater. It was built with the underwater. So ayan, makikita nyo guys, ang napakalawak niya. So marami kang makikita iba't ibang mga artifacts. So panoorin nyo guys hanggang dulo, and please wag kalimutang mag like and share and subscribe sa mga bago dyan. Please enjoy watching.
Hello, when that time you come?
Okay. So guys, it's my first time nga pala makapasok dito sa Louvre. So namangha ako guys sa mga nakita ko dahil kakaiba siya. It's actually a museum that you can see or you can find or you can let you know. Ay makikita niyo mga lumang mga gamit noong panahon. Wala pang social media noon. So makikita niyo mga iba't ibang klaseng mga gamit ng iba't ibang klaseng lugar. So actually this is not the only Louvre museum, but also in Europe they have Europe or in London, I don't know. There is also a Louvre museum. So ayan. So guys, enjoy watching.
Yeah, inside of the gallery. But outside the gallery, the forum is okay.
So they have to put this.
Water, food, liquid.
Okay. You have a passport here? Passport.
Sa labas meron ba?
Passport.
Mga restaurant meron juga.
I need water. Water.
Kung may food din po kayo, ma'am, hindi po allowed sa loob.
Walang food.
Backpack also. Thank you.
So, ganda yun kasi sa yun talaga, ancient talaga, yung unang panahon mo pa talaga. Ito pa position mo. Doon talaga makikita mo yung dati pang building.
Pinaka-ilalim pa.
Original talaga makikita mo. Ito parang mga natin.
Talaga? Here. Ilang taon na ito dito? Ganda. It's made of gold.
meron kaming ganito sa bahay ah. Kalain mo yun? Oh, ano to? What is this?
Kagaya ng ballpen ko. Ano ko kasi?
Kala mo ka ba? Oh.
Pen box with Zoran.
Sosyalan.
Inkwell.
Guys, we're going here. Oh, you're here. From the Chinese. Grabe paghabi nito ba? Mason House of the Dead. They got House of the Dead. Tingnan ko.
I mean, yes, of the history of the
I don't know this one. Is this figure of
production. Praying finger. Oh,
Bear spraying finger?
fingers. See, fingers to guard. Guard. This.
第二个是强人，这是摄影的造型。都看了吗？France 好吧，咱是 France。
So we're gonna go here. Nahilo ako doon sa Chekwa na lalaki. Malayo ko naman sa kanya, nagsasalita siya, pero ang bunganga, ang bagnad. Ano yan?
Hindi kasi inaano ko yung nagungingin.
Nagre-reading pa? Ang liliit naman na ito. What is this? Monumental statue with two hands. Two heads. Ah, may monumental palang ganito.
你扫黑反应出来。
3,200 before Christ. The first sign of power. Guys, itong bangal na ito. Ilang taon na ito? Black top red ware jar is from Egypt, 3,600 to 3,300 BCE before Christ. Yeah, oh, diba? Kalay mo yun. You see that, guys? This is ordinary like that. Pero may mga ano siya, antipax. Jar with filter.
所以在国家博物馆能找到的，
Berlin.
这土泥巴做的。这个年号。
Hello. Ang kakaiba ang bangal na ito, mga ka-sexy. Oh.
亚韶文化中国。
以前把新罗地貌给挖出来时候，人家还彩色的，全部彩色的。
这是
Cooking jar with corded pattern decoration. Oh, this is from Japan, North Kanto. Okay. Diba? Mesopotamia. See this come, guys. Oh yeah. Bolia, token used for trading. Bolia envelope Edison. From Iran. This is from Iran. Ah, ito pala. Gamit from Iran. Okay, this one. Tablet with cuneiform inscription. This is from Iraq. This is from Iraq. funerary stele of Goldsmith, Egyptian civilization. Yan. Writing continue. Ayan, grabe no. Nagawa nila yan. Ito, male figure praying. Sumerian civilization, Iraq or Syria. 2,400. 24,000 na tayo ngayon eh. Ito. Grabe. Musical ritual for the Theban Triad, Egypt 1550. Grabe. God of supercity. What is this? Oh my god, there you have it. How are you there? Are you fine?
Sabi ko sa iyo, parang
Panitsura niyo. Hindi naman pwede dito, mamaya na lang. Ano sa dagat? Yan. What time? Abang nagpipit na yung bago. Tutoy. Dancing Selva. Ito ancestor figure. The other one is dancing Shiva Hindu divinity. Yan guys. This is from the Hindu. 2 more hands. She have 5 hands. Mga kasulatan noon guys. Ito guys. Funerary stele.
So, ayan, nakita nyo mga ka-sexy, guys, kung ano mga nandyan, mga lumang gamit noong panahon sa iba't ibang lugar na pinagtipon-tipon nila sa isang museum. Ultimo mga banga ay pinahalagaan nila. Kaya marami pa kayong makikita mga ka-sexy. Abangan nyo po sa next vlog ko. Please guys, huwag nyo pong kalimutan mag-like. Ayan mga ka-sexy, thank you for watching!